Presenting Normand, a new breed of backpacks. Invented to revolutionize the notion of design and safety in travel, this backpack adapts to any urban lifestyle needs. Normand incorporates technological solutions to age-old problems. Combined with its mobile app, it brings you a level of protection inconceivable in the past. Our exclusive anti-theft system includes an alarm that warns you of unauthorized access. This gives you extra protection, as it makes any potential theft or robbery by making it necessary to bypass a security system to access your belongings. Our application features a GPS localization system that allows you to monitor your backpack's location even when it's not with you. Through the application, you can set the parameters that best suit your needs, see a log of backpack openings, or send commands to, for example, authorize an opening remotely. Plus, the material used to manufacture the Normand backpacks keeps your belongings insulated from radio signals. This blocks access to your credit and debit card data and prevents modern theft techniques. Normand is your day-to-day ally, a fortress with your most treasured possessions that will win you over with its comfort and appeal. Normand. Be safe. Be secure.